Hello students, thank you so much for making this channel 2K family. I know that my videos are not up to that quality that I really want to. And if you compare my videos with other educational channel who teaches with smart board, better infrastructure, their videos are better, I know that. In spite of that, those who have been connected with this channel and made this channel grow up to 2K family, I really want to give my special thanks to those students, and from the core of my heart, I'm really grateful to you. If you stay connected with my channel in this way as you have supported similarly in future, I'm sure I will make my videos better in quality and quantity. On this special occasion, let me show you the things that I use to make videos, sometimes in front of camera and most of the times remaining outside of the camera. This is the board that I use to teach for both online and offline class, and here is a chair that I use to sit here while taking offline class. And this is my dearest instrument that keeps my phone stand quite still. And here on the floor you can see some books are lying that are yet to be organized, and on the floor here students sit, and there is a tube light that I use for making videos. And because of lack of lights, I have to make this. This is something special for me. You can see it. I have made it myself. This is the sweet container, and I have prepared it myself with cement and sand. I have used it. I have cut it first and put inside it cement and sand. And there is a bamboo pole. I have used it as a stand. Here you can see the things that I have used for making this light stand. And there is a fan that I cannot use because of perspiration during making videos. I am perspiring right now. It is extremely hot nowadays. So here you can see how I am perspiring because of extreme hot. So if you stay connected to this channel and help me and support me that you have done earlier, and do the same in future, I'm sure I will make some better videos both in content and quality. Thank you so much once again for making this channel 2K family.